Hi. Where are you going?
Where are you going?
You want to get on your bike? Okay, let's go.
I'm coming too. Bye. I'm coming with you. Let's go.
Okay, I'll get it. What's your step now?
Yeah, let me see. Hi. Look at you. Yeah, that's Mommy's. Did you see Mommy's new basket? Look. Try the basket. We're going to go on there? Yeah, let's get you on there. We'll get your seatbelt adjusted. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. Yeah. Ready? You checking everything? Oh, it has little foot straps too.
Mm-hmm.
Oh no, don't touch that. Oh no.
PM.
No, here, wipe your hand there.
Well, that was Liam's first attempt at
¿Te gusta, papá? Hi, Liam. ¿Le gusta su bicicleta?